Hey Aaron, my name is Marcy Hutton, and I spoke to you a while back in regards to shooting this custom video for you about your business. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably thinking, why is it that I would do this and what's in it for me? Well, when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard, and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, we can talk about it. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So the 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. So all of the words and the images on your site, that's what I mean by content. Google, when they come across a site, they dig into the site, they crawl the whole thing. What they're looking for is to see what information has just been added to the web, so that they can match up when people search. So when you're providing a service like you guys are, they're going to see like exactly what services do you offer and what location are you offering them. They want to keep the reason that they, and then they keep track of that, so then they can come back to it when somebody searches it in the browser. Now, what they have to gain by, offering the best results is that they'll keep people on their search engine, which is what they want to do. That's how they make money. So the more information that you can give them, they love information, then they're going to, reward those sites by pushing you up in the search results. Now I'm just going to check out, I love the picture there. Total dog lover. But you can see Mainland photo dog. That is not what one of your potential customers is going to be searching in here. So you want to tag your pictures, name your pictures with keywords, things that people would be searching. And Google does like to see anywhere, you got a really nice looking site, by the way. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. So in order to get yourself boosted up and in front of more eyes, you definitely have an opportunity here. Add yourself some more content. Make sure that it's not plagiarized, that it's unique content, that it has the words. Think about, it has those buyer intent words throughout the content, so that Google can see, that it's going to match what it is that people are typing in there. So I'm going to move on to citations here and explain to you what a citation is. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. Throughout, various directories is where you're going to find this kind of stuff. This right here, your maps listing, is a citation. So 2 things help you out by being listed in as many as you can. Stuff like Yellow Pages 411, Foursquare, Yelp listing, as I said, anywhere that's going to have your business name, address, and phone number. One thing is that Google sees you when it's out crawling the web. It sees that you are listed in all these directories, so it lends credibility. They know you're legit. And when it comes to this map section here, it is one of the factors to help push you up to the top. Now, the other one is, and it's kind of rare to find somebody up there that isn't organically ranking. So this section below the maps is what's called your organic rankings. So typically what you're going to find is the businesses that are ranking here on the first page organically are the ones that if they have a map listing, they're going to be up there in the maps in the top 3 too. So they 2 of them kind of work hand in hand. But you want to get yourself listed in as many directories as possible to help give the power to push you up in these rankings. And then to move on to the backlinks, the 3rd thing, that has the power, gives the power to get yourself onto the ranking on the first page. What a backlink is, first of all, to explain that, try to keep it in simplest terms. A backlink is when you have a third-party site on the internet linking to your website. How this affects you, think of the internet as a big popularity contest. So when another site votes for you, aka links to your site, that in Google's eyes, you're the popular one. You've got all these other websites on the internet paying attention to you. So next thing is they're going to just push you up in the search results. So what I've done is I've taken your site. I took the first site here, so the #1 ranking website on the first page here, and I put it into the same tool so we could see what's going on behind the scenes. And you can see, you know, what you'd have to do to beat all of these things that I'm showing you. You just go out and you can beat your competitors in showing up higher by doing more of what it is that they're already doing. You sort of reverse engineer what they're doing and then beat them. So shows me here that you've got 10 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you 26 backlinks. You're being found for 129 words. This is where the content comes in. And that you've got roughly about 80 people, 80 visitors to your site each month. So you're doing pretty good. What that other site's got going on, he has 57 backlinks. And giving him about 500, or 57, pardon me, referring domains. So 57 other websites linking to his, giving him about 500 backlinks. He's being found for about 500 words, so there's a bit more content on there, and he's got about 118 average monthly visitors to his site. So you can see if you wanted to increase that some, that's how you'd go about it, and you optimize for certain keywords. Let's maybe take a look quickly and see what it is that he's. So fireplace technician, he's in the #1 position. Fireplace repair, Coquitlam. Fireplace maintenance, Vancouver. These positions here, this means there's usually 8 to 10 that'll fit on each page. The first page maybe 8, because we do have the map listing and all that going on. But see, they're doing pretty darn good. Right down to here, they're on the first page for all of these key terms. I'm going to just take a quick look. I like to keep these short, but just out of curiosity, let's see what's going on here. So Luxor Fireplaces, you're in #1, Mainland Fireplaces, so name of your biz, which is common. Fireplaces Langley, gas fireplace Langley. Your name again, #2, Fireplaces Langley. So yeah, and you know that somebody that's wanting, as I said, it was definitely buyer intent keyword that I used. Fireplace repair, gas fireplace repair. That's how you want to optimize with your backlinks, with your content. So I'm going to leave it there. As I said, I don't like to overwhelm people with too much information, and I know that everybody's busy. So I'm going to email this out to you, Erin. I will follow up just to make sure that you did receive it and it didn't land in a junk folder somewhere. And if you have any questions, happy to answer them. And at the very least, I'd just love to get your feedback on the video. So we'll talk to you soon.